Hello y'all, this is Set to Achieve. Welcome to yet another video. Good morning, or whatever time you're watching this video. When you come across this video, please, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and like, subscribe, share, leave your comments. Okay, your comments help me to encourage me and others as well. So today I just want to talk about the situation we're in the current economy and the financial situation that we're in and what it entails, basically what we have to do in order to ensure our financial freedom and security. Okay, so I know a lot of you have heard about Tesla and what is going on with Tesla and what is going on with the economy at large. We know about the inflation that is going on. I'm actually heading to the grocery store and just like looking at the prices, looking at the gas. I just bought gas, put some gas in my car, looking at the gas prices. We know that in order to make it work in this current economy, you have to make more money. There's no doubt about it. You have to be more financially sufficient, okay? And depending on a 9-to-5, one job to care for your family, depending on a 9-to-5, a job to dictate what would happen to your children, if they're gonna eat, if your bills are gonna be paid, if your mortgage or your rent is gonna be paid, if daycare is gonna be paid, because for a lot of people, I was looking at the news and they were talking about daycare and how the average amount for a family is $3,000. Think about that. $3K. And for a lot of people, it's at least a quarter, and for some people, it's half. How many people are making $4,000 a month? So for a lot of people, it's taking a whole chunk. So having children, people have to decide whether they're gonna eat or have kids, or pay for, or actually be able to afford sending them kids to daycare in order to be able to go to work. Because if your kids are not put somewhere that is secure and safe, you can't go to work, because safety is first, right? So there's a lot of angles that people have to think about before they're even able to consider and afford the necessities of life. So it's gotten there, okay? The economy has gotten there. And I'm a strong believer in business, not 9-to-5. Okay, if you're at the place where you need that 9-to-5, yes, I totally understand. But I'm a stronger believer in having and running your own business or businesses. Okay, I'm a strong believer in running your own business or businesses. Okay, having a way that you can manage your life in such a way that you can be able to be financially sufficient and efficient. Okay, we know that in the current economy, depending on the man is not it. It's not going to be able to help anybody. Okay, and the base of this channel is narcissistic abuse. Okay, a lot of people are being narcissistically abused by their workplaces. A lot of people are being abused by their bosses. Okay, forget about their personal lives and relationships, family, spouses. Okay, but the place, and it's worse because the place that you are depending on to put food in your mouth, the place you're depending on to see if your kids are gonna go to daycare, is being abusive. The place that you're depending on to see if your mortgage is gonna be paid is being abusive. Okay, a lot of people take a vacation. I was listening to a TikTok, and this lady was complaining that she took a vacation and they were still sending her work while she was on vacation. They were still sending her emails that she had to answer while she was on vacation. So I do not believe, I understand if that's the place that you are right now, but I am a strong believer that you have to find a way to break out of that place. Okay? depending on a 9 to 5 to take care of yourself and your family will kill you. Tesla just let go of 10% of his workforce. Okay? 10% of his workforce. That is huge. And one of the employees or former employees was saying, don't they care that we have family? Don't they know that we have bills? The question is, don't you care? Don't you know that you have bills? Don't you know that you have families to take care of? Don't you know that you have needs that need to be met? Okay? So that is the question of the day. Don't you know? Okay? So I say this with the deepest of emotion, because I've been there. Okay? I became a nurse, a registered nurse in 2011. Okay? And I was going through a lot. Okay? I endured through nursing school with pregnancies, you know, because I thought that that was the way to go. I had family members that were all in healthcare, still are, you know, and I felt pressured to follow the family way. You know, they say that there's money in it, you know, this and that. But I found myself burnt out within months, not even 6 months, like 3 months after I became a nurse. I tried nursing homes, I tried different facilities, I tried agency, but I was not finding any fulfillment. I kept hopping from job to job to job until I decided, you know what, enough is enough. I went back to my first love, which was beauty and business, basically. So I started running my own business, doing hair, and I started making some money from that. Then I started adding like delivery apps, food delivery apps, DoorDash. You know, at first I started with Uber Eats. You know, eventually I started doing DoorDash and on and on. Fast forward to today, I'm an independent contractor. I have an LLC, making my own money, running my own business. I answer to no one in terms of my finances. I'm able to run my own business. Okay, I'm able to take care of my children. I don't have to worry about somebody firing me. I don't have to worry about somebody saying, you know what, we don't need you anymore. Okay, you can go home. I don't have to be on weekends worrying about Monday, being stressed out and having panic attacks. That if I will be able to still see that job, if I will be sent an email on the weekend saying, you know what, don't come back. Okay? So that is a situation that a lot of people are in right now. But you do not have to be in that place. Okay? I'm here to let you know that you do not have to be stuck. Okay? A lot of people are being narcissistically abused by their workplaces. Okay? They're being given. So a lot of workplaces, what they're doing now is they will fire another employee because they don't want to pay. Okay? They will fire someone and then hire someone with half the amount that they have to pay them. And the person that they fired, okay, the person that was fired, and I've seen this in healthcare, I've seen it happen numerous times in management, okay, someone that was loyal to the company will be fired. I mean, will be first. Now this is the icing on the cake. They will first love bomb you, maybe a week or two. Maybe they give about 3 weeks. They will love bomb you by giving you a promotion 3 weeks before they know they're gonna fire you. Then they will hire somebody underneath you and have you train them. But you won't know that they're being trained for your position. They will pretend like it's another position. Maybe, you know, they will fake that it's like an alternative position. You know, that maybe like the person that will assist you. I've seen it happen. Okay, I've seen a girl leave out of the building in tears when I was at the nursing home because she was in management. Okay, they had somebody, they put somebody underneath her, and everybody was congratulating her about maybe a few weeks prior because she was promoted and given a bonus. So she was training this person. After she finished training this person, she was let go. Okay? A lot of people, their mortgage depends on their 9 to 5, and it's not smart. Depending on the 9 to 5 to pay your mortgage is not smart. Depending on the 9 to 5 to take care of your children is not smart. Okay? It is not smart. Okay? So we need to, especially as women, you know, because I know the foundation of this channel is narcissistic abuse. We need to do better. Okay? I'm gonna very shortly, I'm gonna be offering coaching, financial coaching in my Stand store. Okay, so if you need one-on-one coaching on how to, because I'm an independent contractor, I'm a business owner, I was able to break out of my nursing career, and you know, via business, and you know, and this is like this is years in the making. Okay, I'm able to do things to be able to help myself. Okay, so I'm going to be offering some financial coaching, some business coaching, and I will have the link, not yet, but it's coming. Okay, I'm going to have the link in my Stand store, so those that are ready to get started will just be able to go to the Stand store and sign up for coaching. I believe that would be just like maybe 30 minutes. I'll probably have 30 minutes and then 1 hour, you know. So if you want, so you can be able to like, it probably be like maybe over like Google Meet, so you can be able to sign up and just talk on, you know, what you can do to help yourself. Like if you need financial help, like individual help, I'll be able to help you. Okay, because I know that this is serious. Yeah, this is serious. I'll probably have it something affordable, but I believe it's something that will be very beneficial for people to get. So yeah, I think it's something that really, it applies to everybody. You know, everybody's going through this economy, and I think that the best way to be able to break out of it is business, okay? And having multiple sources of income. Having multiple sources of income will help you to break out of being stuck, okay? Because you don't want to be stuck, okay? Please, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and like, subscribe, share, leave your comments. And if you are someone that needs coaching, maybe you can just leave a comment, just say ready, and I'm gonna prepare the link, and once I'm done, I'm gonna be doing it shortly. I will send you the link, and then maybe you can go ahead and go ahead and schedule something so that we can talk. Okay, all right. Again, like, comment, subscribe. Until next time, peace.